Hi guys, welcome to the Crafty Witch UK. Today I do have an unboxing for you, but it's probably more of an unboxing for the Wordy Witch. So as many of you that have followed my channel over the last year will know, one of my hobbies is poetry and writing and creating art through words. And so I was really I've always been a great collector of random pens, be they, the favourite Bic biro that just seems to write really nicely on paper, or slightly fancier things like this glass ink pen, which I just love using because it feels so magical. Recently, I purchased this pen from Amazon, and I'm going to unbox this with you today. So this is a Rollerball pen from KEYZOR. So let's get into it. It says it has a 24 karat gold finish, and the interior is a Schmidt Rollerball refill. So refillable pens are always great. I'm loving this gift box. Really nice, good quality, and a lovely texture. It's got kind of a canvasy texture to it with this lovely dark brushed gold. So we get inside. We've got this lovely sort of faux velvet flocked area, the pen itself, and it says lift tab, spare refill under pen tray, which I don't know if I was expecting that at all actually, so let's just make sure that that is under there. Yeah. So we've got in here, that is our ceramic roller refill. Brilliant. I will leave that under there. Really lovely. Certainly it looks like this is this would make a lovely gift. Really nice. My enjoyment of pens is purely aesthetic. I don't claim to have any particular knowledge of the intricacies of pens. There are some very knowledgeable YouTubers out there who have entire channels devoted to the intricacies of pens. Let's just have a look at this. So this screws off. Yeah, and we can see we've got our refill cartridge in there. So let's see how that just pops back on. Nice and easy. I will go and check how easy it is to purchase more refills. But obviously it's really nice that it comes with one. It's got a lovely weight to it, really nice. Particularly, with the cap on the end, the balance in the hand, it's really lovely. I think part of the reason why I get fussy about pens is because I'm a lefty, and finding a pen that works for left-handed peeps is always tricky. So the proof is in the pudding, so let's have a look and do a bit of writing with it. We'll see how it works out. Let me grab a good book for testing. So this is a notebook that you will have seen me unbox and complete the diamond painting on the front a little while ago. I will pop a link to that video down below. And I was testing pens in this book at the time to see how different pens reacted to this paper. So it seems the perfect book to continue with that experimentation. So let's have a look, see how it writes from first off. Obviously it's never been used, so we will see how we get on with it. Okay. No, it doesn't bleed through particularly any more than the other pens did, and this is incredibly thin paper. It writes quite smoothly. It's not scratchy in the slightest. I really like that. That's, yeah. And it's the sort of pen that, well, we're still in a world that use checkbooks, that you would want to sign your checks with it. It feels like a pen of substance. And I think it would make a lovely gift. It is not a small ticket item. Good pens never are, sadly. So this is considered a luxury rollerball and is currently on Amazon, listed as at a price that says it was $27.99. Currently, the prime price with same day delivery is $22.99, and then there is also the option for another little discount with a voucher that you can click on. So I think possibly you could get the price below £20 without too much trouble. So yeah, I would say it's a classic design. Certainly quite timeless. It manages to straddle that line between being something that looks like it has some age to it, whilst also not being sort of fuddy-duddy. Obviously, the black and gold colouring means that if it'll go with anything. You're not going to have to worry with it clashing with your other stationery, if that's important to you. I am just going to have a little look for the refills. Okay, so I've just checked, and you can pick up the 888 Schmidt refills, so exactly the same. They can be picked up on Amazon. You can get a pack of 6 for £7.29. If you want more, then a 12 pack in black for £13.97. So there's several different available. They also come in blue ink, and I popped in that 888 number and it showed up a whole long list. So easy to find, easy to get hold of. You're not going to need to be contacting companies here, there and everywhere. So really lovely. I am going to finish up this video by doing a bit more writing, and I will then see you in the next video. Bye for now.